Big Dog K9 motorcycle for sale. I purchased this bike from the original owner, and for whatever reason, I think he was just overworked, or perhaps he just liked it as a garage trophy. He had put on under 400 original miles on this bike. Some of the upgrades are exhaust system, front and rear show quality chrome wheels with a chrome belt pulley, and also a chrome side fender rails, the sissy bar and the Big Dog sissy bar pad. Plus, because of the age of the tires, I just had them replaced, then with high quality Avon tires, and also the Dynabead system was used for balancing, so you don't need those ugly lead weights on the side of beautiful chrome rims. Also, the entire electrical system was factory upgraded, but at the time I had the new tires put on, I also had the mechanic go through and check all the wires and rewire some to make sure it was all working properly. The rear axle covers have been upgraded to a spike design, and all the turn signals have chrome hoods that were added to them for a real nice look. I have most of the service paperwork and a Carfax-like report on the bike that will be given to those who are seriously interested in it. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I don't think you're ever going to find another used K9 with this low mileage on it. So, sure, you can buy a new bike, but this is going to cost you less than half of that.